In 2008, I had a little incident with natural gas in my apartment. After this, I became an obsessive-compulsive person for a while with the security protocols. The same year, I started my thesis project at university. During the research, I realized that the real problem is carbon monoxide,
where 3 people were found dead, along with a dog. A specialist hazardous material advisor was also called to the scene, and the fire service says it suspects the deaths were caused by carbon monoxide poisoning.
An 11-year-old boy is found dead in a hotel room, his mother unconscious. This is the very same hotel room where an elderly couple was found dead in April.
Samples were sent to the Office of the State Medical Examiner for toxicological analysis. Results of those analyses were received within the last 24 hours. After receiving those results, the cause of death in both cases was determined to be carbon monoxide toxicity.
Por favor, revise que la llama de su calentador y de su estufa esté siempre azul y hágales mantenimiento especializado al menos una vez por año.
Despierta, el monóxido de carbono mata.
So, what would you feel if an object tells you have only 1 minute remaining of your lifetime?